Yes, yes. Coach Samuel.
Yes, sir.
All right, so once again, you are welcome. You are welcome to this seminar. All right, so let me start from Mr. Emmanuel. Mr. Emmanuel,
Yes,
do you know anything
sir.
about Forex, crypto, trading in general? Do you know one or two things about that?
I have little idea, so I just registered at OneRoyal 2 weeks yeah, on the 9th of July. So I just registered. I'm just new.
Okay, so
I'm just a little beginner.
okay, so if I get you right, you are saying you are a newbie in trading, right?
Yes, yes. It was on the 9th of July, this July, that I came to Kenya to register.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's good. That's good. You're welcome once
So
again.
I'm trading on Cent here.
Okay, Cent account. Yes, very good. Cent account is a very good way to start. Even if you make mistakes, because your risk exposure will not be much, so you can easily use Cent account to learn. So I think that's the best way. You are definitely on the right track.
And actually, I made mistake, but it was Cent account that delivered me. So, but I've corrected myself.
Exactly. So that's what I tell newbie. Don't go on dollar accounts. You can use Cent. So use Cent to practice. So you can make as many mistakes as you like. I'm not saying that you should spend the whole
Yeah,
2 weeks
sure.
making mistakes.
Yeah.
You get so, but then during your learning curve, you can always course correct whatever mistakes you have made without having to blow your account. So
Yes.
same goes for crypto as well. So I tell people, don't go hard at first. Don't go big. Learn how it's being done. Then after that, then you can decide to go all in. So that is what I tell people. So how about we have Susan. Okay, Susan Michael. So good evening, Susan. Hello, I don't think she can hear us. Hello, Susan. Oh, okay. I think it was a network something. So I don't know if she can hear us. I think she's trying to send a message. Oh, she's trying to unmute. Says, oh, scan. Oh, sorry. Let me do that right now.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hi, good evening. You're welcome. So, Susan, we are just trying to know our level of exposure in the industry before we get started. We are trying to know some of the things you've done in Forex or crypto. Basically, with what I do, if you tell me your experience in the crypto, Forex, or any other thing, I can easily tell you what you need to do to get it right, where you are getting it wrong. I can make some LD recommendations for you. So that is what I do as well. Aside from being a trader, people consult me to know where their flaws is coming from. So I kind of run, in engineering, in mechanical engineering, they run diagnostic scan when a car is faulty, and I think in medicine too, there's also a scan too. So you do medical examination. So yes, so I'm trying to do all of that. So you can ask me questions. And you can also tell me about your experience in trading, basically.
Um, okay, so I can vividly say that most of the trading I've done was on crypto. Mostly I've done a bit of holding, and then I did spot trading. So it's been a very long while. After the group, I didn't really understand what was happening, so I didn't really know what was there. Then I just feel like so most of the times I try to learn Forex, they're always looking for one clique or the other, for one group or the other. So I don't really trust all of those things. So I just started to get ready to like see something more better. That was why when I was graduating, when I saw you guys put up your platform, I wanted to know about it. So I'm a newbie. I'm really to start to learn from scratch. I don't want to say that I know anything. So if someone is willing to teach from scratch, I'm willing to learn from scratch instead of saying, oh, I know this and I know that. It's better for me to learn from scratch than follow my dream.
Oh, okay, that's great. That is great. So there's this thing I say. I always tell people you can't go wrong with the basics. You can't go wrong with the basics. You know, when you are I mean, at some point you might have to face a roadblock. Then once you just retrace your steps back to the basics, you might actually be able to find out where it has gone wrong. So for me, I tell people Forex, crypto, and the likes, the best approach to learning all of these things is not to start off being a Forex trader or a crypto trader. Be a financial markets trader. Now, this is what I call financial market. Financial market is like a parent where the subsets are Forex, crypto, commodities, synthetics, derivatives, and all shares, bond falls into. So what we are trying to do is to give you a skill that allows you to analyze both crypto, Forex market, and any other market. As long as there's a chart representation of all these things, you can analyze it yourself. And we are not going to make you so fixated on the charts. We are going to open your eyes to some other things outside the charts that can influence the market. That is what we call fundamental power. There are some fundamental events, geopolitical events, economic indicators, because the market moves basically on law of demand and supply. Now, there are some powers that be that can influence this demand and supply. So we are going to tell you how you are going to monitor them, know their moves. This is what we call institutional footprints. So we are going to be teaching you all of these things. Then how you can now see it play out on your chart as well. So this is what we are going to be teaching you. This goes beyond a one-off. This is going to be a series. Let me just put it like that. It's going to be a series. So I would like us to be committed to this, to be dedicated, and it's going to pay off. So what we have, the offer we have for you is this class is absolutely free. Yes. So it is not as if, oh, okay, maybe they are coming to the class, or maybe these guys are trying to get money. No, it is free. We decided to make it free because we know that a lot of informations online, lot of educational content online about trading in general, a lot of them don't do justice to what trading should be. A lot of them have been abused. A lot of them spread misinformation amongst newbies. So newbie missed their way earlier, and they are just struggling from, I mean, they have hard time finding their stand in the industry. So we have decided to make this free. I mean, make everybody have access to the knowledge. You are welcome, Mr. Harweb. You are welcome, Mr. David, I'm saying. You're welcome, Mr. D. All right, so I would not be able to ask others the same question because this is 7:24 already. So we actually started a bit late, and that was, like I said, it was a consideration for my hand. I felt that we needed enough people to join, but then it got dawned on me that we can't keep waiting for others. I mean, many are called, few are chosen. So why don't we start with this number? Then if any other person gets to join, who knows if they can, I mean, pick up some few things before we leave the meeting. All right, so I have introduced myself as Tolulope Samuel. I mean, I might have to do that again. So my name is Tolulope Samuel, but you can always call me Coach Sam. I am currently the head of trainer Africa for OneRoyal. So let me tell you a bit about OneRoyal. Sorry, I'm trying to bring up my slide. So let me just prepare that while I keep talking. So OneRoyal is a seasoned brokerage firm in the financial markets. Now, what do we mean by brokerage firm? Brokerage firm are those that give you access to trade the financial markets. Now, the thing is, no matter the level of knowledge you have attained in the industry, when you want to trade, you will still need a brokerage firm to carry out this transaction. So gone are the days where you go to the desk, to the banking desk, to the they call the banking desk over the counter to place or trade. But now you can do it at the comfort of your home because of what brokerage firm has brought to us. I mean, you must have heard about a lot of brokerage firm, FX, this and that. I mean, XNES, you must have heard adverts here and there. So OneRoyal is a seasoned brokerage firm in the financial market. So we are committed to empowering individuals through education and accessible trading platform. So we believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to participate in the financial market and achieve their financial aspirations. So yes, so the purpose of this is to equip participants with the knowledge needed to start their investment journey. Yes, and you might be asking, why do I need to invest? Is there a need to invest? Do I need to invest? You might be asking yourself, yes, because investment has transitioned from a luxury to a necessity. It's no longer a luxury. It is now like a necessity. It is crucial to everyone's existence. Gone are the days where it is when you don't chop belly food. That's where you know, okay, let me now invest. Now people invest as fast as they can because inflation, I mean, most people's salary is finding it hard to catch up to inflation. Inflation is just making the purchasing power of currency to drop. The way it's dropping is at a faster rate, and it makes it crucial for us to seek avenue for other financial, other streams of income. So investment is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about securing your own financial future and of course, achieving your own personal goals as well. So we must have heard these quotes that people say that the cost of living won't kill the living. I don't know who has said it. That's even the cost of living wants to kill the living. And some people will tell you that the money they save is the money that is saving their life now. So that is true to a very large extent because of what's the reality of things are currently. So because the ever-increasing cost of living and I mean, ever-increasing cost of living is just rising by the day, rising by. So there's a need to always secure your future and you need to achieve financial independence. So, okay, so without more ado, we would have to get into it. So this reminds me, for us to have a better understanding of what a brokerage firm is, we can equate it to exchange. Yes, it might not be as exactly as exchange, but let's just, so in crypto world, we have what we call exchange. So these are platforms where financial instruments like crypto are being traded. So this is where transaction takes place. Either is a decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange like your Binance, your Bybit, your KuCoin, your Mexi, and the likes. While your decentralized exchanges are your Trust Wallet, your MetaMask, and the likes as well. Please, if you can hear me, please, can you just let me know so that I'll be sure I'm not speaking to myself. So, hello, can anyone hear me? Oh, thank you, thank you. I think I can see someone. Okay, you can put it in the comment section if you can hear me. All right, good. So let's jump right into it. I'll be presenting my slides now. Just a minute, it's coming right up. Okay, please, if you can see my screen, please let me know. If you can see my screen, let me know. Let me put it there. Oh, okay, great. Okay. All right, so OneRoyal has been existing for 17 years. Will be 18 this year by the grace of God since 2006. we have passion for infinite trading, trading without borders, trading without restriction, trading without limitation. So our slogan is make it rain. I mean, we are a team of expert traders and finance professionals. So we have been on a mission since 2026, sorry, 2006 rather, trying to give people the right knowledge to trade, not just Forex alone, crypto and the likes. So you might be thinking, why OneRoyal? I know you might have been exposed to so many brokerage firm or exchanges. So you might be thinking, why OneRoyal? So, I mean, when there are whole other brokerage firms, so why do I have to go for OneRoyal and not go for the others? Aside from the fact that anything that stood a test of time from 17 years or up to 17 years shows that it's a company that is well established. We have been tried and tested, and yet we are still standing. So there is no, it has been proven that the company is a solid one. So then we have leading tools and resources. There's one of the tools we have that is called Signal Hex. In fact, I can boldly say that OneRoyal is the first brokerage firm that I've seen. Maybe there are others that I've not seen, but I've seen a whole lot, trust me, that I've seen so far that has these two, Signal Hex. We give you access to the signals of our top traders. You get to see their signals, where they're placing buy, where they're placing sell. After this video, or after this meeting, I would send a video of showing how the signal hex works. So everyone is going to see it. You will see signals. In fact, in a day, we can get up to 30, 40, 50 signals. Imagine if you have access to all that, and all you need to do is just to check the one that aligns with your own strategy or your own setup or your own belief. Even if you are not trading yet, the one that aligns with your own risk parameters, your risk exposure, and what you can afford to risk, then you can take it. Then you watch how it plays out. So OneRoyal, like I said, it's a global firm. It's a global brokerage firm, and we are in the United States, we're in Cyprus, we're in Lebanon, Australia, Vanuatu, Egypt, St. Vincent, and of course, we're in Nigeria. So we are not just a partner here in Nigeria. The company actually is here in Nigeria. We had a physical seminar on Saturday where we disclosed the location of our office, where people can always go, and if you have any complaint, we have a team there. In fact, we do live and physical training. We do training where you can always come, learn, take trades. I mean, and you can also relate with other traders as well. So it is not just limited to online. Maybe these people are just trying to do something by the side or doing it online. No, we have a physical office. All right, so the reason why most people would choose OneRoyal, it's because, number one, aside from the fact that it has stood the test of time for 17 years, we are present in so many countries of the world, and also we are regulated. Now, one of the reasons why some traders find it skeptical to trade on some platform is because of they are not sure if they are regulated. They are not sure if they are regulated. Now, how do you know if a brokerage firm or an exchange is regulated? There are some exchange that are not regulated. I don't want to mention name. There was this exchange that was just fined by US to pay a huge sum of money because they were able to see some sort of manipulation in their operation. So, I mean, regulation matters. So, regulation, it is what protects your own interests and the brokerage firm's interest. So, it is just like having an HR in a, yes, that could work. Let's use that as an example. But a better example, I would still reference that as well. So, it's just like you having an HR in your place of work. So we know that the HR represents to you, when the HR comes to you, the HR will represent the company, but when the HR goes back to the management, the HR represents the country, the staff's interest. So it is just like an intermediary that ensure that checks and balance, that ensure accountability and transparency. So another good example would be labor union. When you know you have labor union or let's say human rights activists, those that you know that they are always fighting for you, even when you are not there. So we are regulated. All these things I'm saying, I will drop the website at the end of this seminar. You can always go back and check and confirm, or you can check their sites, all these regulatory board. You can always check their site and see if what I am saying is true. We are regulated by ISIC. ISIC is the Australian Security and Investment Commission. We are regulated by CISEC, Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. We are regulated by VINATU, Financial Services Commission, and of course, FSA, that's Financial Services Authority. So all these 4 regulatory boards are they are the topmost bodies that you can acquire regulation. So once you are regulated in all these 4, you can check some other brokerage firm. Most of them just have 2, most of them have 1, most of them have 3, but we have all the 4. So that shows you that in all our 70 years of existence as a company, we have been assuring compliance to these regulatory bodies. So, and also let me just put what OneRoyal is in a nutshell. So, like I said, we are multi-licensed and regulated. We have free tools and resources. I just mentioned what is called Signal Hex. Signal Hex helps you gives you signal on a daily basis. Once you have an account with us, you can always log into your dashboard and check the signal for the day. So, like I said, if it aligns with your strategy or with your belief or your risk, you can always take it. As a newbie that you don't have a strategy yet, there are some signals that will just align with your belief. You believe this thing will work. Well, if it works, fine. Because you don't have a strategy yet, which we will be teaching you later. Then we offer access to financial market insights. Hi, myself, I'm a Forex educator. I've been in the industry for 8 years, or let's say more than 8 years now. So I am a Forex educator in OneRoyal. So I train clients. Aside from that, we have some other experts as well that will be coming from time to time to train us. So we offer financial market insights. We offer real-time quotes, price quotes. We offer economic calendar. Now, what we mean by economic calendar, I think I've said it earlier. I don't know if maybe some that joined late might not be, but I will just reiterate on it again. So economic calendar, So economic calendars are we call it volatility schedule. Volatility schedule means that there are some news events, or there are some political events, or there are some events that can affect the economy of a country that you need to pay attention to when you are trading the particular currency of that country. So we give you real-time economic calendar. We tell you when the event will take place or when the news will be released, so that when you have that, you can use it to make informed decision. And also we offer technical analysis. We are going to be doing a whole lot of technical analysis. We are going to be analyzing trades together, making projections. It goes beyond just Forex alone. We are going to be going deep into crypto. I might have to tell everyone to just suggest a pair that we go through, we make projection, and we watch it play out. So aside from technical analysis, we have copy trading. All right, so this is where I want it to be interactive. Has anyone heard about copy trading before? I'm trying to unmute everyone so that if you heard about it, you can easily tell me. So has anyone heard about copy trading? Anything about copy trading? We can also put it on the chat as well. Oh, I guess we haven't heard about it before. Okay, so basically, copy trading is what is a system for you to earn while learning. Let me just put it like that. It's a system that allows you to earn while learning. We all know that the learning curve or the learning phase is different for everyone. Some people get it, on time, while some people will find themselves struggling with it as well. So what we are trying to say is copy trading gives you access to be able to make money by the side. Now, let me break it down. There are some traders on our platform, experts with years of experience, with proven track record of profitability. What we do is once we know that you are with us, you attend our classes, you are committed. So what we do is we plug your accounts or we connect your accounts to their own accounts. These are professionals. So anything they do or any of your trading activities automatically reflects on your own. So if they're taking a buy on maybe BTC USD, it automatically reflects as a buy on your own. But you can always set your risk parameter. You might not be risking as much as they're doing, but you can always set it yourself. So that is what is called copy trading. Copy trading means you are copying the trading activities of experts, professional traders, while setting your own risk parameter, or if their own risk parameter aligns with yours, you can always leave it like that. So a whole lot of people have made money on copy trading, even some that are still struggling with Forex, trying to get it right. They have made a lot of money in Forex by just doing copy trading. We have existed for, or we have been existing for 17 years now, more than 17 years. So that means we have traders on our platform that have good record, proven track record. So these are those that we will suggest or recommend to our clients. Okay, while you are still learning or you don't even have the time to trade at all or to learn it. So you can't just wait till you have the time and you want to earn right now. So why don't you connect to a copy trader? So once you do that, then whatever the person make, you make as well. So this is not you giving your money to someone. You are not giving your money to anybody. In fact, for one, I don't advise you giving your money to someone to trade for you. Yes, I don't advise giving your money to someone to trade for you. What I can buy into is when you have your money in a platform that the person cannot withdraw, the third party cannot withdraw, they can only trade for you. So that if it's going wrong, you can easily stop it from your own end and say, okay, enough is enough, I'm not doing it again. It's like this person doesn't know what he's doing, or this person is going through his own drawdown at the moment. So these are the things we will check on, and we are going to give you checklists for you to look for a very good copy trader to copy. We are going to recommend some. Bear in mind that this is a third party. We are not the ones trading for you. What we do is we give you access to the financial market like every other brokerage firm. We give you the knowledge to be profitable. We give you signals to take to make money. Then for the copy trading, then we also refer or we also recommend some traders on our platform because we have access to, to what we do, to what they do. We know the ones that are profitable, we know the ones that are struggling. We can easily say, oh, this one is doing well. Would you like to connect to this person? Then based on your own research too, you can say, oh, I like him or I like this trader. Then let's go for it. Please, if you can understand what I mean by copy trading, please just put it on the comment section. Put it in the comments. Let me know that you are following. So just let me know if you are following. Oh, good, good. Oh, Mr. Adeyan, okay. You're saying not yet. All right, so briefly, I will just unmute you now. So we can, you said not really. Okay, Mr. David, oh, you're following, thank you. So let me just unmute Mr. Adeyeno, or if you can type it, I mean, where are you getting confused? Where do you need clarification on? And I can do that right away. Well, let me just unmute you too. Okay, I think you can speak now. You have been unmuted.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, I just want to know those copy traders that you are mentioning now, are they also part of OneRoyal, or they are just outside? They are just like a third party general.
All right. Thank you for your question. Okay, like I said, OneRoyal is a brokerage firm. Now, let me give you an example of a brokerage firm. I don't know if you do a bit of crypto, but you do, maybe if you do crypto, there's what we call exchange. That is where you carry out your transaction. Either you want to buy or sell or send to someone. Let me equate it to a bank. For you to send money to someone, you need to use a bank. For somebody to send money to you, they will need to use a bank. It might be digital bank or a traditional bank, but all the same, bank is bank across board. Do you get that? So you cannot send money to someone without having a bank account or without the person having a bank account or wallet, as the case may be. So the way banks are giving you access to send money from one person to another, that is the way exchange and brokerage firm operate. We give you access to the financial markets. But we don't just do that. We know that giving you access to the financial market and leaving you all by yourself to trade, I mean, is a daunting task. So it might be, risky and hazardous. So what we do is we train you, give you the right knowledge, put you on the right path, stay with you on the journey till you are profitable. But while doing all of that, we know some traders on our platform that are doing well, that they are on a third-party platform hosting their services as a copy trader. These traders might be on our platform, but they are on another platform, but this third party can be accessed through our platform because there's an agreement between OneRoyal and them. That is why they are being hosted on our platform. But these traders are now hosting their results, what they've done so far, and they are giving access for anyone to follow that trade. So you can always look through. We will give you quality recommendations on who to follow. But if you feel that you want to embark on the journey yourself, we can give you a checklist of what to look out for to find a profitable copy trader. In fact, the statistics are there. You would always see it. Next class, we might have to go to some of copy traders' results for you to know. And also, like I said, we provide signals. Signals are what tells you they're like buy and sell orders. They tell you where to buy and sell. Then your take profit, where to leave the market. And there's a bit of risk management attached to it that traders call stop loss. So when it is going against you, you might have to cut your losses at times. So they will give you that as well. So I don't know if you are getting me now. Mr. Deyemo, please, if you are getting me, please just let me know so that we can move on. Hello? Mr. Deyemo, you can talk now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Thank you very much.
So the the copy trade now, the copy trade now, all you've mentioned now that the stopping of loss, the when the market is going against me. If I'm to do the copy trade, am I the only one that will be doing all those tasks also, or the copy trading will be doing it automatically, or it will be automatically replicated on my own account?
Everything a trader does. Now, what makes a trader a trader? It is not just taking buy or sell order. It comes with their risk management. Their risk management automatically applies to whatever account is connected to their own. So if your account is connected to them, if they are clicking on buy, your account will also buy. If they are going out of the market as well, then whatever they do reflects
But
on your own account.
sorry, hello.
I'm with you, sir.
But what of if the trader is going against laws, but is not aware, and I know that it's going against laws? Since you said what is doing will be replicating on my account, that means that I won't be able to stop the loss on my own account
No, you can't.
unless he stop it.
Hello, you can stop everything. See, what you are, okay, let me tell you what you are doing. Let me just give you, okay, so this is what you are doing. I'm trying to find a good example so that you can relate. Okay, it's like you are giving
Okay,
someone access to what you yourself have access to, but to manage it for you.
okay,
You have a farmland, but because you are busy
yes,
and you cannot manage it yourself, you can't plant, you can't do, okay, I think we have to move faster now. So we'll take questions and answer after the class, but let me just answer this, then we'll move on. So you have a farm, but you can't manage it yourself because you are busy. So someone else is doing all of that for you. The person does not have access to sell your land. The land remains yours. But if the person doesn't know how to manage it very well, what do? You drive the person away, right? So you have access to do all of that, or you stop the
yes,
person's operation if you don't agree. But bear in mind that it's automatic, it might invalidate the agreement, or that might be considered as a breach of agreement between you and the copy trader. There are no serious consequences except for the fact that maybe based on
okay,
the kind of copy trader, they might decide to stop their services with you. But nobody will say you cannot
okay.
withdraw your money.
If I
Nobody will
stop,
say that, okay, because of what you have done. Yes. So you can always stop it yourself, close trades yourself. But it is not ideal when you are giving somebody the access to manage something and you yourself, because you still have access to it, you are not putting your trust in the person enough. So that is just it, basically.
Okay.
So let's move on. So we have a whole lot of educational videos. We'll be having seminars, even, I mean, more than this. So we have a powerful trading platform. It's called MT4 platform. Not just MT4, we have MT4, MT5, and MT4 accelerator. Now, MT4 is called MetaTrader 4. It's a platform that gives you access to trade. Let me show you what MT4 is. Coming right up. Trying to share my screen. Okay, let me stop sharing first. And I will show you what's. No, it's not mental, it's MetaTrader. Not mental. MetaTrader. We call it MetaTrader. So that is what is called. So it's a platform where you take your trades, you manage your trades. I mean, so that is what you are giving to the copy trader, the login. That's what you are giving to the copy trader. And if the copy trader is not doing well, you can always move your money from there to your own dashboard or your own account. So they are not going to have access to it the way that, I mean, they are not going to withdraw from your account. They can't withdraw from it. So the only thing they can do is just for them to be able to trade on it. So that's the only thing they can do. So I hope you are getting this. Are we getting it? Oh, okay. Okay, good. I'm trying to bring up MetaTrader. Okay, I think it's loading. We'll get to see it now. Oh, good. All right, please, if you can see my screen, let me know. Trying to bring it up. If you can see my screen, please let me. Oh, okay, okay, just showing Traders Watch. Now you can see, great. Okay, so this is what we call our trading platform. This is where you trade, you execute trade, you pick trades. As you can see, you will see buy, where my cursor is pointing to, you will see buy and sell here. And these are the asset class that we can buy and sell for. We can always add more. We can always add a whole lot of them. We can always add, in fact, Forex is financial market trading is not limited to just crypto and Forex, like I said the other time. This is crypto. We can always add all of this. Ripple, USD, BTC, USD, blah, blah, blah. We can always trade them on our platform. So this is where we trade. So you would analyze your chart here. Then you click on buy or sell. Then you set your risk parameters. So this is the platform OneRoyal brings to you. It has all the analytical tool. So, and it has all the risk management embedded into it. So you are going to be introduced into how to use all of this. In fact, you are going to be introduced to how to put your robot on it, how to put a robot on it to automate your trading system. So this is it, basically. All right, so let's move on. Okay, please, if you have questions, you can always keep it till the end of the class. If you have questions, please just keep it to the end of the class. We would attend to that. All right, thank you. So back to the slide. Please let me know if you can see my slide. So we have access to, so if you are joining us on our platform, you have access to our MT4, like I said, but there's what we call MT5, another version of it. I mean, a more advanced version of it. We have it as well. So there's what we call low spread, super low spread. Super low spread has to do with, now, for you to trade on any platform, okay, I will still use the bank example. If you are sending money from one person to another, there's what we call bank charge, right? Everybody know that there are charges that applies to transacting on any fintech or any banking app. So the same charge that applies, okay, let's say for even crypto as well. I think if you want to transact on Bybit now, if you're using TRC20 as a network, you might be charged around maybe $1.3 for your transaction. If you're using TRC20 for those that are into crypto already. So it is the same charge that apply to this super low spread. The super low spread means the difference between your buy and the sell when you want to enter the market. The difference between your buy and the sell when you want to enter the market. So it is the difference. Sometimes the difference might be too huge for some other platform. But our own is too close that it is that difference that we charge. So it is the difference that we charge, and that difference on our platform is very small, insignificant as commission. Just like you comparing commercial banks to Kuda, OPay, and the likes. Some will go for Kuda because of the charge. Yes, you can liken that to spread as well, the commission. So our platform has ultra fast execution. It is very fast. Once you place a trade, it reflects almost immediately. So, and we have a lot of funding options. No matter where you are in the world, we have PayPal, we have Pay, we have bank transfer, your local bank transfer, we have crypto payments for you to fund your account and start trading. Then we have round-the-clock support. You can basically chat up the support on our platform and they will respond in no time. So for this, we might not be able to talk more about this, but I think one of these days I would make emphasis on it as well. Okay, so all right, so on our platform, you get to trade a lot of asset class. You can trade metals, you can trade energy. Some people trade gold. Some people trade gold on our platform. You can trade crypto, you can trade your shares, you can trade Forex, you can trade indices. It is not limited to crypto or Forex alone. Okay, so this is the copy trading I was referring to. Access to strategies of successful traders thanks to third-party provider Oko Cloud and copy their trade. So all you have to do is just to choose from thousands of successful traders we have on our platform, observe their strategy and copy that trade automatically into your account. So even, let me give you a shocking fact. Most of the guys that we see in this country that we feel they are actual traders, some of them are actually doing copy trading, but you will not know. They are leveraging on the strength of it. There's what we call OPB, other people's brain, OPS, other people's strengths, OPI, other people's influence. People in the business world have always learned to use that to make money. And that's what they have been doing. So from time to time, they do OPB, they do OPI to make money for themselves. So then we have what we call Trading Central. I've explained this. It is where you have more of our educational content. You get everything under your dashboard. So then we have, like I said, educational tools. We have webinars from time to time. Then we have what we call education on demand. Maybe you miss out a class and you want to make up for it. You want a makeup class, you can request for a demand, or you can demand for a class. Then we would set that up for you, and you would have the class. So, okay, we are almost done. I want to talk about how you can become a partner with OneRoyal. Becoming a partner with OneRoyal. Now, the thing is, most people feel that for you to make money, you have to be trading or to become a trader to make money in Forex. Now, one of my early years of trading, the regret I had was that I was not exposed to this until I started working with a brokerage firm, and I knew that, oh, I've missed out on these lots and lots and lots of opportunities. So, okay. Someone is asking benefit of becoming a, okay, yes, we are there now. So, excuse me. So what does becoming a partner with us means? So let's go right into it. So, if you want additional income, or you want to let your people know, people in your own network know about the fact that you are a trader, and you really want to make money off that, you are not just letting them know, you are extending the opportunity to them, but you are making money at it as well. So this partnership gives you the opportunity to, like I said, OneRoyal is a brokerage firm. Then we have what we call introducing broker. Basically, what you do is you let others know about us while we cover the rest. Education, giving them signals, putting them on a third-party platform that allows them to make money. So we do all of those things. We do it. So what you need to do is just to let them know what they are missing out. I mean, bring them to us. And with every of their trading activities, you get paid for it automatically. With every of their trading activities. I'm not talking about their profits. Every of their trading activities. I said something that when you place a trade, just like when you're, okay, let me imagine if you are working for a bank as an introducing banker. Let me put it like that. And we all know that bank charge commission for every transaction. Either the transaction is profitable or not profitable on the person's end. Either the transaction was a profitable venture to the person, or it was based on kidnapping, or maybe they used the money to pay ransom, or maybe it was the looted funds that are trying to, send. But we know that bank will always charge commission or bank charges. Now, the way it works, I'm trying to relate it to bank. Let's say you are an introducing banker. Now, if the bank is charging 53 naira for every transaction, let's just assume they're charging 53 naira for transaction above 10,000 naira. Yes. So there'll be an agreement that anybody that comes through you to use the bank, once they are doing the transaction, you get maybe 25%, or sorry, maybe 50%. So you get 25, then the bank also gets 25 naira. So that means you are sharing the commission with the bank because you are bringing this person. It is not a one-off. Whenever this person wants to do any form of transaction, you make money. So either you have time to trade or not. While you are doing your copy trading, you can also be an introducing broker. So are we getting it before I move on? We are almost done, basically. Are we getting it? Please just let me know. You can put it in the comment section if you are getting it. Oh, okay, great. Great. Thank you very much, Mr. Adeyemo. Okay, so when you become a OneRoyal partner, what you do is you benefit from our reward and rebates. Rebates are activities on the it is like saying cashback on Forex. So when anybody that falls under anybody that you introduce into trading, when they trade, you make money from it anywhere in the world. So then how can you become a partner? If you are interested after this class, I can send you the link, you can join, then we'll take it off from there. So then how does your link works? So when a trader clicks on your link and visits our OneRoyal website, so the system identifies that the visitor came from your link. So when the person automatically starts trading, so that means you earn a commission for every trade they make, as long as they continue trading. Then you can always get to monitor your network performance. We have a robust dashboard that gives you access to monitor their performance, what they are doing, and all that. So now I'll be giving us access to, we can see what's on the screen. We can see this is someone's account. You can even see the name of the person there. During our seminar, we are able to be transparent with this. We had to show them. This is one of those that have benefited from the copy trading that actually gave us access to publish the account. So this is one of those people. As you can see, this person, the profit this person has made, I would show it to us in a moment. I don't know if you can see my screen, but if you can see, just let me know before I carry on. Please, if you can see my screen, just let me know. You can just put yes. Oh, good, good. Thank you very much. All right. So this person, we know what gross profits means, what gross loss means, yeah? So this person on our platform has made, excuse me. Oh, I'm trying to see if I can zoom it. Okay, I think some people are saying they can't see clearly. Please, if you can see clearly, just let me know. Please let me know if you can see clearly. Okay, okay. Okay, but I'm guessing you can zoom it from your hand, right? Oh, some people can zoom from their hand. Okay, let me see what I can do for my end as well. Let me see what I can do. Let me just stop sharing first. I'm trying to. Sorry, just a minute. I'm trying to ensure that everyone sees it. Okay, I think I have a way to do that. I'm trying to. Oh, okay, good. I think we can all see it now. Please, if you can see it, just let me know, please. Can you see my screen? Okay, good, good. I think it's clear now. Okay, so let's go back. So this person funded his account, bank wire, 5,000, funded $5,000. Now that's 10. Now, if you check what the person was able to make, this person closed, this is P&L for those that are trading. Do you get? You can either close in profit or in loss, but the close trade this person made $14,000 from it. This is from someone's copy trading system. And this person has made a lot of withdrawal. See, this is withdrawal, bank wire minus $2,000. This is withdrawal. Let me see. Was there any other withdrawal? Okay, this is withdrawal minus 1,005. This is another withdrawal out minus 500. This is another withdrawal minus $1,000. This person has, so this is it closed. Even with all those withdrawal, this person was still able to close this at $14,000. So, and we can see, although there's a trade that is still active, that's why we can see minus $2,936 there, because there's a trade that's still active there. Now, this trade is a minus, but I bet it in the next few days, this trade will go back to positive because it is not an actual loss. It is what is called floating loss. Floating loss means like maybe when you invest into something or you buy something or you eventually plant. As a farmer, let's say you plant something or you go to the market to buy clothes you want to sell. Anything you buy currently, because you cannot convert it to money, it has not become profitable for you, but you have used the money to tie something down, yes. So till you sell it and you now start making money from it. So that is when it's start reading as profit for you or start counting as profit. So that's why we can see these floating profits, floating loss. So this is it, guys. So this person made 14,319. This is just one person. Then this is another person. This is directly from the brokerage firm. It cannot be manipulated. You can come to our office, we will log in on our platform, you will see all of these things. So this person funded 2,000 through crypto. This is USDT deposit, 2,000. Now let's see so far. This person withdrew 500. This person withdraw USDT 1,500. This person withdrew 350. Even those three withdrawal has almost amounted up to 2,000 that the person funded. This person was able to withdraw $101 of BTC. So this person balance out, withdraw 920. So as we can see, but this person was able to, okay, there's this bank wire again, $3,000, 3,101. So this person was able to close at $24,000, 24,256. All the way from where, please? From $2,000. So, and if you check the date, this is when this person started. This is 2023. The first day this person funded, 2023-02, 2021. So this is February 21, 2023. So let's check. So till date, this was 7/22 here, July 22nd. So when this person withdrew another $3,000. So what are we saying? You can always leverage on the system. You can leverage on the system. You can leverage on the copy trading while you learn. we are here to teach you, but we don't want you to just wait while we teach you. Now, somebody is asking the question, that's great, but my issue is this trade, how long did this person take to make? I just showed you, Susan, I just showed you last year to this year, and you can see from 2,000 to 24,000, and this person has withdrawn almost even more than the 2,000, your capital. Because we were able to point this person in the right direction of the trader to follow, while this person too is learning himself. So does that answer your question? Please, if you have question and answer, I think we can take that now. I think we can take that now. So I would just unmute everybody while we take questions and answer.
Okay. Does your company borrow people money
Borrow
to
people
trade?
money.
To trade?
Okay. Are you talking about PubFem?
No, like if I want to borrow money to put in my MT4.
No, we don't do that. And I don't think there's a platform that does that right now. The best you can have is PubFem. They call it PubFem. PubFem means you would buy a trading account. You buy a trading account. They will tell you to enroll for their challenge to test your capacity as a trader. So once you are qualified, then you will start, they will give you an account to start trading, which most likely out of 100, only 2 or 1 gets to pass the evaluation phase, but they would have charged you money to register. So it is, to me, it is more or less like a Ponzi scheme. We don't do any of that, sir. Does that answer your question, please? Okay, so I would take some other questions now. Okay. Somebody is asking, would we be able to get signals from OneRoyal? Another thing is I want to know how to enter the streets. Are we going to? Yes, not just see. What we are teaching you is not just about signals. We are teaching you how to trade yourself. We are going to be giving you signals. Like I said, on the platform, we have signals that aligns with either your strategy, but you don't have a strategy yet, with your risk or your belief system. If you like, if you're a fan of signals, we are going to be giving you all of that. But what we are after is you make money while you are learning our copy trade, the third-party copy trading system one, and also we ensure that during the learning phase you make money. So I'm saying, can I work with OneRoyal? Please, what do you mean by that, please? Okay, you mean as our partner? Yes, you can always do that. In fact, there's room for that. We can give you even a white label to build your own personal website. We will brand you. You have your own personal website that people can come to your platform and it will look as if you have a brokerage firm yourself. They register, but it comes directly to us. So we will brand you, give you business card, that it will show as evidence that you are truly a partner in the company. So we have that. Okay, so is that all? I think so. Please, if you want to ask a question, you can unmute yourself. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Okay, so somebody is asking that what is the percentage? Please, if you know you are not going to be talking, you can just, like, if you know there are background noises where you are, please just mute yourself. so that we won't have. All right, somebody is asking, what is the percentage I will receive when I opt for the copy trading? Yes, like I said, we are going to be introducing you to traders that you can pick from. It depends on your target, what you are looking for. In fact, everything you are looking for is there. If you want big targets, is there. If you want small target, but everything comes with equivalent risk. So we are going to be exposing you to all of these, then you now be the one to pick. But if you want a recommendations from recommendations from my end, then we'll do that as well. So somebody is asking, is the profit per every week? No, we don't do that. The profit is monthly. The profit is monthly. So the platform sets it to be monthly. We don't want to do every week. You withdraw today, you come in tomorrow, withdraw today. No, it doesn't make the system stable like that. Then how much you can start with? Okay. For the copy trading, you can start with a minimum of $100, but due to the fact that I mean, you can go higher. You can do $500, $1,000, $3,000. We have clients that are doing $7,000, $20,000, $80,000. Yes, in this country. So I'm not saying that to oppress us or to intimidate us. What I'm saying is you can start from where you are. $100 is good, is okay. If you feel that you can do more, because the more you do, then the more you get. Imagine a system giving you 50% in a month. So if you do $100, so that means you end up with 150 capital plus profit. But if you are doing $1,000, so that means you end up with $1,500. So I think I've answered how much can I start with. Okay, so who else has a question for me? Okay, so for you to visit our office, okay, how consistent is the profit? Oh, that's a good one. No, I never said you are getting 50% monthly. Please get me. I just use that as an example. There are some system that gives you more than that gives you 80%. There's some system that gives you 10%. There's some system that gives you 5%. We won't be the one to tell you what you'll be getting monthly. You will see through what the trader has done, then you'll be able to pick yourself. Like I said, if you want our recommendations, we will always give you. Somebody's asking how consistent is the profit. Okay, this is what I will let you to do. I'll let you to decide. Anytime you are ready to join us, you would see these things. I just showed you two, and one has been running since last week. If you are at our event that we had on Saturday, those that have been benefiting from the platform came, testifiers. We gave them the audience to talk. And they even gave us access for people to, for us to log into their account live for people to see it. It is not a fluke. It is what we have done over and over again. Okay, what lot size can I use for 5,000 cents? That's $50. What lot size? I would advise you to use, well, 0.5, 1.0 lot size. 0.5, 1.0. For cents, if you are going to convert it back to dollar, please just stick to 0.01. But please ensure that your lot size depends on your stop loss, the number of pips that you are using for your stop loss. So all of these things we'll be learning, the full details of it when we proceed with the classes. So I think that's all we have for tonight. I don't know if anybody has any questions. So you can always come around. We do have a physical training. For this week, it's going to be all day. So we start by 11 for the physical class and we end by 12:30. So that's 1 hour, 30 minutes. This week is going to be Mondays to Friday. We had one today. It was amazing, by the way. So we are going to be having one tomorrow as well. You can just drop by. The address is we are at Ikeja, Alausa Shopping Mall, Suite 9, at opposite Radio Bus Stop. So it's at the heart of Lagos mainland. So you can just drop by for the class. So I will be having some other sessions like this where we'll get to teach us online as well for those that can make it down to the class. Okay, so I think with that being said, I think that that will be the end of our class for tonight. Please let me know if you have learned a thing or two. Just put it on the group. Let others know what they miss, and just encourage others to join as well. So I remain your trainer, Coach Samuel. All right, till I catch you guys again next time. Oh, all right. Thank you. Thank you very much. My DM is open for questions. If you can't trade to the public, please just you are free to come to my DM and ask. But you have to be patient enough because I have a lot of traders doing the same thing as well. Students, I mean, it's a global platform, like I said. So I have messages, I mean, coming in every now and then. So I might not be as fast as, I mean, as you would want to. Oh, am I married? Ah. Okay. Oh my God. Well, I am not by this one. Okay. Ah, yes, he is. No. No. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Now you are making it more fun. Next time, I believe you are going to have more fun. Let's do this again soon. All right, guys. Good night and enjoy your night rest. All right.